So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo ThinkPad L13 yoga camera driver. So open any browsers to type like that, okay, in the Google search box. So go to first link, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially website, okay. So you can download the driver, okay. So you can see this is two type to install, first automatic and second manual. So if you have to separate driver installations for the select this, okay. Otherwise you can scan now and detect requires drivers and it will install automatically, but might be you have to separate, but this is can't possible here. You just, that's why click to select the driver, scroll down, you can see this is all the drivers are showing here, the version, audio and all. So click to camera, scroll down, integrated camera driver, just click to download, wait few seconds, it will start automatically. After that just single click to open, which is downloaded setup. Yeah, see, so wait, one download in the progress. So it is downloading, click to setup, then click to yes, okay, I accept, next, install, next, and install. Now this, you can see this is installing. After that you can see this is next, and now this is will, please wait, will driver installing, maybe some time to complete. Okay, you can see, then click to finish and then finish.